to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Etisalat postpaid plan. So you will have three different options in order to cancel your Etisalat postpaid plan. So in order to do it, first of all, what you can do is you can simply come on the official website of etisalat.ae. You can even follow the same steps in the Etisalat mobile app. Now once you are over here, you will have to hover over to the my account section and click on sign in. Now you need to provide your login credentials, or you can even just log in with the help of your UAE pass. Basically, you will have to log in into your account, and in the manage section you will see all of your plans and you can cancel it from there very easily. Now in the second method, what you can do is you can simply visit any Etisalat business center or any outlet in order to inform the staff that you wish to cancel your postpaid plan. The third option that you have is by directly calling them. So you can call Etisalat customer care at 101 and you can request to cancel your postpaid plan. So this is also very simple and easy method. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.